My son loves Legos. How many of you like Legos? And he loves constructing Legos. And he loves to sit down and go through the directions step by step. Some of those pages are like 25, 30 pages, right, of Legos. And he was working on this design. And it was interesting as I was listening into him, he was saying, Mommy, look, whatever's on this side is on that side. Whenever I put a piece here, I also have to put a piece here. And he goes, it's the same. It's like it's a mirror image. I was like, you're right, Marcos. We call that symmetrical. He's like, oh, I know that, Mommy. I remember that in school. We talked about symmetry before. So look around the room. Can you find anything that is symmetrical, that has symmetry? Take a look. Look hard. Look well. Do you see anything that is symmetrical? Turn and tell your partners. What do you see? What did you hear your partner say? Were you an active listener? What did you hear your partner say? Sarah.
That a paper is symmetrical because if you fold it and you open it back together, both sides are like square and they're white. So she said when she makes a card, it's symmetrical when she folds it.
Ah. So if I fold this paper in half, whatever on one side is on the other side? If it's a blank white paper, or maybe, okay. Gabby.
My partner said that the ceiling tiles are that has a line of symmetry because they're it's the same size and also that they're both the both same pattern on the same size.
Anna.
The lights, they're symmetrical because it's like a rectangle and then if you cut it in half it's like a square.
Who's there?
David said the clock because it's a circle and the circle has lots of lines of reflection like down and horizontal.
Yeah, and if the numbers were off, then...
Oh, if the numbers were off. Because if they were the numbers like they were now, what are you realizing?
That it wouldn't be the same.
It wouldn't be the same. How so?
Because if you cut it in half, then the 9 isn't going to be, how should I say it? Like...
The mirror image?
Yeah.
Like the mirror image.
Yeah.
Because on the other side right now, what's on the other side of it?
A 9.
Mm-hmm. But on the opposite side of it, on the mirror image side of it, it's a 3. So you're right. If we took the numbers off and we folded it in half and then opened it back up, would it have the mirror image?
Yeah.
Okay. Garner, last one.
But you could still do, if you could still make a line from 12 to 16 and it will be symmetrical.
Kendall, what?
Well,
Try and tell Garner.
Well, you said that if you did 12 and 6, that wouldn't be symmetrical because if it was 12 and 12 on the other side, then it will be, but you can't have two different numbers. They have to be both the same thing.